Have you ever been puzzled by JavaScript's behavior, especially when it comes to converting symbols to strings? It can be quite confusing, right? If you found yourself asking why the code symbol test.toString works perfectly, but you can't use plus symbol test, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this intriguing topic. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you think you understand how something should work, only to hit a wall with an error message. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced similar issues when dealing with symbols in JavaScript. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, why does symbol test.toString work, but plus symbol test throws an error? They were confused about why implicit type conversion fails in this case. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? In JavaScript, symbols are a unique and immutable data type. They are not meant to be converted to strings implicitly, which is why you encounter that error. Understanding this distinction is crucial for working effectively with symbols. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid similar pitfalls in the future. You won't want to miss it. To understand why the user cannot use an empty string plus a symbol, we first need to clarify what a symbol is in JavaScript. A symbol is a unique and immutable primitive value, often used as object property keys. Next, let's look at the error message. When the user tries to concatenate an empty string with a symbol, JavaScript throws an error because it cannot implicitly convert a symbol to a string. Now let's compare the two expressions. The user mentioned that using symbol test and toString works well. This is because the toString method explicitly converts the symbol to a string. To summarize, the user cannot concatenate a symbol with a string because of JavaScript's type safety. The toString method is necessary for converting a symbol to a string explicitly. Fun fact, did you know that symbols were introduced in ECMAScript 2015? They were designed to create unique property keys, making them a powerful tool for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that while you can't implicitly convert a symbol to a string, you can use the string function to achieve this. They demonstrate that using string with a symbol will give you the string representation without throwing an error. Additionally, the user points out that you can access the description of a symbol directly. This provides the string value used to create the symbol, which can be useful for debugging. Lastly, they mention the symbol.keyFor method, which retrieves the key for symbols created with symbol.for. However, it won't work for symbols created with symbol directly. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user points out that the reason you can't use the plus operator with a symbol is that symbols are a new type introduced in ES6. They emphasize that the type of the value is not a string, which is why the implicit conversion fails. For more information, you can check the official documentation on symbols at the provided link. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to use the toString method when dealing with symbols if you need a string representation. This simple habit can save you from frustrating errors. And there you have it. Now you understand why symbols don't convert to strings implicitly and how to handle them correctly. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more insights. And don't forget to check out our next video for more JavaScript tips.